How to uninstall Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall this application. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. So it is right here. Now simply hold and tap onto it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. So as you can see, I'm in this settings interface. So these are the settings about this app. Here, there are different options available. Now here on the bottom, you can see this uninstall button. Simply tap on uninstall. Now make sure you want to uninstall this application. Also make sure you have all the ID and password saved because later you might need this application in order to log in. Now simply tap on this OK button. So it will take some time and it is completely removed. So this is how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.